Hello everyone, I'm a guy who got 7 different bicycles and 2 motorcycles. However, all of them are in really bad condition and the goal of this channel is to repair them and make them work perfectly. So here is the first one. This is a Fuji Ace that was produced in 1988 in Japan as far as I know. I bought it for just 60 euro about a year ago, which equals about $65 right now. This one is an Oxon Sweeper FGND that is a bicycle with 21 gang and a V-brake system that I bought just for 14 euro, which is about 15 or $16. It seems to be in really bad condition, but for 14 euros it's pretty okay. Next bike I want to tell you about is a Galizia mountain bike. I don't really know much about this bicycle. Everything I know is that it costed me about $40 and was probably produced in Italy, but I don't really know. Now is the one of the most interesting bikes here. It's the old German full suspension bike for $30. I can see a disc brake and a working suspension, so this one might be really worth of attention. Well, I'm not quite sure what to say about that one. It looks brand new and fine to me, to be honest. Anyway, we're gonna have a closer look in one of the next videos. Well, next one is a really interesting city bike with a very nice feature, which is front suspension and some kind of back suspension in the seat. Let's move to the last one. This is an unusual foldable bike meant to be used in big cities to be folded and transported in public transport. By the way, this one was the most expensive one for me because I paid for it about $100. That's all we got. Comment which one should we repair in the next video, and also if you want a review of motorcycle, just comment which one should I show you.